Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I am back with another activewear try on haul featuring OQQ. Big shout out to OQQ for partnering with me on today's video. When OQQ reached out to me to partner with me on today's video, I was super excited because I've been seeing them all over TikTok. I also saw them that they are the official sponsor of the Bonnaroo Music and Art Festival, which is super cool as well. But their whole premise behind their clothes is looking good and feeling great. So I know we're all in that new year vibe coming very soon because we're past the holidays and we're ready to just feel the best about ourselves. I think the holidays is all about pouring into others, whereas the new year is kind of bringing it back and kind of really focusing on ourselves. So super excited to share with you what I picked up. I love their pieces because they're versatile, where you can wear them working out, but you can also wear them day to day. I love a piece that you can kind of layer. So I'm going to show you what they look like in a workout type of way, whether you're taking walks, whether you're doing yoga, whatever you're doing, I'm going to the gym, but also in different ways that I would style it up to run errands or go to a cook lunch, breakfast, whatever. So let's go ahead and jump into the haul. So the first is this Unitard bodysuit. This material is so freaking soft. It has a unique yarn ratio to ensure the fabric is soft and always a very nice body wrapping, shaping without being stiff at all. This forms to your body so well. I was surprised at how much I love this. It's basically a full black outfit all in one. You don't have to think about it. It's amazing. I think I'm gonna wear these all the time for walks. They'll be easy to layer over the top as well, even as a base layer to put a sweatsuit on if you're cold going for a walk, but super stylish and slimming with the black ribbed material. Again, this material is kind of porous, so it allows for that circulation of air. So it will still maintain a cool feeling for all day comfort and wear, and it also is a sweat wicking material as well. It's very breathable if you're layering it under for a ski trip or anything like that. Or again, it's still kind of warm here in Dallas. We get 70s days, so it's nice to have something like this that's going to be breathable, but keep me covered and comfortable all day. You guys will see a lot of very basic neutral colors because I'm a very neutral basic girl, but they have so many different vibrant colors. So if you find a style that you like, again, they will have so many different colors that will match your unique style. All right, let's move along to these little zip up sets. I got two of these. I've been loving brown activewear. Brown, black, and navy are my favorites, but brown with black has been everything to me. When I saw this little zip up jacket, I knew I needed to have it. I only have full length ones like this. I do not have a cropped one, so I loved the crop. I actually think they can be very flattering because they hit right above the booty and just make it look good, okay? And all their little things have the little thumb holes in it, which I really enjoy as well. It's just a very sleek look in my opinion. But I loved pairing this over the bodysuit with brown and adding different touches of brown to kind of tie in the brown and black. I love it. Their tags also are down here at the bottom, and they're kind of a seamed press, so you don't have any irritating tags, but I like that it's down at the bottom and not at the top. I don't know, small detail, but I really like it. They also use a seam knitting technology, which creates the garments without your traditional seams and stitching and stuff, so it's not rubbing against your skin and feeling uncomfortable. So absolutely love the brown, and again, got it in the black. Both will be perfect over that little bodysuit, especially if you feel you don't just want to be wearing a unitard, but I think it's cute. Pairing these over the top will kind of separate it, but still be all one piece and super easy and comfortable. So love that little duo set. A lot of their things come single, or you can get them in packs, which I really enjoy that as well. Speaking of a pack, I got these two. I feel ribbed yoga leggings are some of the most flattering things that people put on their body, and I just feel I was part of the pink yoga line when it was very popular back in the day, that I have been hesitant to wear flare pants, but I actually really enjoy wearing flare pants in the winter. Because I think they look super cute with Uggs or cute sneakers or whatever. So I got these two colors. First of all, anything in this emerald green, pine green, whatever, is everything to me. I think it looks great with whites, grays, blacks, just everything. And the band at the top, it doesn't have a seam, which is nice, so you don't get any cutting or digging, but it's very compressive up at the top, but not too compressive. Just to note with sizing though, I did size up to a medium and everything because I don't like things to be squeeze me tight. I like my activewear to feel comfortable. So I am in between. If you're in between sizes, you can size up or you can go true to size, but I decided to size up for a more relaxed type of fit, but I still think they fit perfect. So you've got this stretchy band And then it goes down to a very, look at how stretchy that material is. So soft, and it's got that ribbing type of material. And this also came with this light pinky purple, which is a little outside my comfort zone, but I thought would be really cute for spring. I know, yes, I'm already thinking about spring, but I thought this would be adorable for the springtime with like a light top or gray. Gray and this kind of pinky, purpley taupe kind of color or mauve kind of color go beautiful together. All right, you're gonna have to excuse the lighting. It is raining, pouring on and off here, so lighting is terrible. But next up, I have this little bodysuit, which I think is what OQQ is most known for, is their bodysuits. If you look on TikTok at all, they are known for their body snatching bodysuits, and this does just that. Again, black and brown, my favorite color combo at the moment. I'm obsessed. This, I love that this bodysuit, some bodysuits hit up at the top of my hips versus like covering my like most, I guess, my most problem area, if you will, the place where I like to be more concealed and sucked in, which is on the widest part of my hip. So I love the cut and shape of this specific bodysuit. And again, this paired with a pair of jeans and a cute little hat, perfect for like a school drop-off, pickup, whatever, or pairing it with a black pair of like joggers would also be really cute. I cannot find my black joggers at this moment, or I would have showed you that, but I thought that would look really cute with this as well. Very sporty, but the ribbed material, again, just super soft and comfortable. And yeah, so you will find so many bodysuits on their sites, and specifically, I love a good zipper like this. It's giving wetsuit sleek and just everything. So that is that. And then last but not least, I picked up a pack of their 4 just long sleeve basic thick shirts. I'm obsessed with these. Okay, so first I got this like creamy sort of color. This is so, again, stretchy, not see-through. You can see it's very like athletic-y type material, but a soft brushed. It's not like shiny looking, if that makes sense. Again, insanely stretchy, very thick. These are great just paired with a nice pair of jeans for like an elevated look. If you pair a sweater over the shoulder, a belt, anything like that, or you can pair these underneath things as well for extra warmth. Wear with a pair of leggings for a walk. Again, very good. But I got this color. This came in a pack of 4, like I said, and they have so many different like color choices as well. I got this good gray color. I don't have a like this sort of like cobalt blue gray type of thing. It's like a cool blue or cool gray, and I'm happy to have this in. I think this will look great with dark jeans and light jeans. Black also. And then I got this like kind of, I don't know, not like a chocolate brown, but like a terracotta brown type of color. And then last but not least, a good black. I feel like you cannot go wrong with a good black, thick, long sleeve. It's got a slight ribbing to it, but nothing like as intense as the leggings. Not that that's a bad thing. I'm just saying it's not as like a stark rib. It's a very subtle ribbing on the long sleeve. But again, insanely stretchy and very thick, so it kind of just holds over the body. But that ribbing material just kind of goes with every curve on your body, which is really flattering in my opinion. So that is it. That is everything that I picked up from OQQ. Again, I will have all the details in the description box down below. So if you're looking for some new clothes that you can wear like versatilely within your entire wardrobe, whether it's working out, whether it's to the office, whether it's night out on town, whatever it is, OQQ has some really cute things. And again, they have so many different colors and styles. They have bundle deals. They have so much to offer. So if you've not checked them out, I will have all the details, like I said, in the description box and down below. Again, big shout out to OQQ for partnering with me on today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video very, very soon.